Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you a concept video of the Zeuw-cat start screen, and just because I can, an extra screen at the end. Alright then, enough with the filler and let me show you this. What you just saw is how the start screen will play and which options of save files you would like to load. There will be an opening intro before the start screen, but you can press any key to skip the intro. Alright, the other screen I would like to show you guys is how the start screen will react when the player presses the escape key multiple times. It pretty much just goes back to the intro video. Anyways, that's all from me. Thank you guys for watching and make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. 'Cause our heart break